We call it augmented beauty for a reason, because we think that technology can help us bring beauty to a new level, can augment it. And so over the last years, we've been working on things like new diagnostics. Like last year, we showed a protein and biomarker diagnostic that can tell you the future of your skin, that we will launch in March of this year. We've done a hair dryer that's using infrared light that dries the hair faster with less energy. And this year, we're showcasing, the new flat iron called Lightstray, but also an LED mask, the thinnest in the world, less than 1 millimeter. That's almost a second skin that can do. So we're working on things all the way from digital to physical to diagnostics. We're trying to use technology to give people better, more personalized experiences.
So one market you've already seen some growth in recent times is in China. How important is China for L'Oreal's future growth? In
beauty tech, China is the most important market for us, because today you have, so many people willing to try technology and use technology in addition to the standard kinds of innovations in beauty. And so the device market is booming there in beauty. And so many times when we create these products, like our new microneedling technology or the new infrared technologies, we launch in China as a very important market, and usually first in China, which will probably be the case when it comes to our new LED mask as well, and our new diagnostics. So it's an incredibly important market because the appetite of consumers is to use technology and try the newest and greatest things.
So you've talked about some of the products that L'Oreal is thinking of launching, is going to launch, but what about more broadly? What do you think the next big trends are?
Oh, well, for me, I'm in charge of both augmented beauty and open innovation. And so today, for example, we're doing enormous amount of work on biotech and scaling biotech. And by the way, China is one of the big regions we're doing it in. We just invested in 2 companies. One is called Shanghai, which is developing supermolecular AI to help us, scale biotech, and Vemensin, both based in China, one in Shenzhen. And, this area of biotech, microbiome, sustainable cultivation, all these new sciences are going to be the future of beauty at a much higher scale and rate. And so we're highly investing in these areas, because we know that longevity will be the future of how we deal with aging, and biotech will be the future of how we bring green molecules more and more to people in beauty and meet the trends. So all of those are areas that we're very highly investing today.
So when it comes to new products, particularly new technologies, how do you get people to get on board with those when perhaps more of us are buying online and they don't have the chance to actually try them in person?
It's a good question. I think that, fundamentally, I think first you have to, we started 15 years ago with our team, and we did Makeup Genius, which was the first virtual try-on ever done in the beauty industry. I think digital has created a way that people can touch, feel, and experience products in a much more accessible way than before. So this is the first part. And the second is that we're constantly trying to make sure that we bring more and more personalized experiences to people, where they can really understand their skin and hair before they buy the product, and make the right personalized recommendation to people, which I think, thanks to digital now, has become much more accessible and able to scale than before.